guys, so today I got a package. It's purchased rare squishy package. So it came in this bag. In this packaging. I'm just covering up this thing in there because there are information in it, like address and stuff. So it says opening video. I'm not gonna show the back since my address is in there. So let's open it. Oh my, this is what it looks like inside. Oh my, sorry. Let's pull out the note first. Okay, I found a note. So here is the note. It says rare squishies, which obviously I purchased rare squishies, like super rare. Oh my god, sorry if you saw that. But it is, total is $200. That's a really cool total. So yep, and it says Thnxxx. So oh my god, oh, there's the little envelope. There is flowers, nails, and butterflies. Kind of like, they're like kind of stamps, and there's also a green apple. So cute. Sorry, I forgot to do it in here. So for extras, she gave me calculator. Oh my god, this is really cool. I haven't seen people give calculator to people like extras, like in kawaii. But this is usually not kawaii. But I haven't seen people give this to people to their trading. I mean, like purchase / trading or buddies, stuff like that. But this is really cool. This is really amazingly cool. And I think she paid a lot of money for this calculator since she bought it from Staples, which Staples always have expensive stuff. So I really thank you about that. Oh my god. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You gave me this shocking, popping, squishy candy. Oh my god. Look how squishy that is. Super squishy. Look, she's so amazing. So, yep. Her website is called Kawaii Squishy Rare. Okay, wait, I forgot. Rare Kawaii. Sorry. Super Rare Squishies.com. So, yeah. So I really wanted to buy from her. It's really amazing. So now let's pull off the purchase. Okay. So I'm super excited. I can see the pudding. Oh my god, my jumbo toast. It's ripping. Okay, so let's open it. So it came in this really adorable polka dot bag. I'm gonna open it really fragile because it's really fragile. I'm gonna open it really slowly because the other squishy is really fragile. Okay, so first I purchased a bunch of this super rare squishies, and they're like, these are the cakes. These are the, like, they're like kind of like a candy, like a long stripe, you know. And this one are chocolate bars. They're really adorable. So, yeah, these are plain cake, which I haven't seen people have them. I paid about $20 for all that. Oh my god, oh my god. My squishy toast. Okay, so I bought this squishy toast. Super rare squishy toast. She paid a lot of money in this one. I paid about $100 about this for this squishy. So, it's really squishy. And it looks like it's so realistic. And if you hear any background noises, please ignore that. This is super squishy. So, yeah. It's super textured. And she put it in this Ziploc baggie, which is so neat of her to do that. And lastly, a purchase, which I paid about $70 on this squishy since it's super rare. Oh my god. OMG! This is the pudding squishy. It's really squishy. It is a pudding squishy. And this is super amazing. This is a pudding squishy with a face in it. This is super squishy. Can you see that, guys? And the back is super textured. Really soft. Amazingly soft. Comes in this really neat packaging again. So, comes with a winky face. And this is super rare. Honestly, guys, this is really rare. So, yeah. This is all I bought. And it's a really pleasure to let me. I'm surely gonna purchase from you again. So, yeah! Bye, guys. Bye.